Which one should I get? I'm a party planner, event planner. I'm Isa. I'm planning to have a debut party at my 30 years old. It's so special. I have many favorites. This one is Barbie. It's so girly, cute. It's a essence. It's a Barbie favorite. Or a pink one because I like pink. I'm a pink girl. No, it's not. I'm a pink girl. It's vintage princess theme. Unlike kanina, Barbie, ito, princess. Vintage princess. Princess. Princess na yan. This one is a fantasy pink purple mermaid. Ito yung mermaid. Purple mermaid pala. Similar ba yun? Because I'm a good swimmer. I'm a very good swimmer. I swim like a mermaid. But with the sea. Sa dagat, hindi sa swimming pool. Not in the swimming pool. I'm afraid to swimming pools. It's slippery in the feet, in the floor. Ayoko yung madalas. Ako din. Wow, it's 7 pesos only lang. 17 lang. It's a Hello Kitty for my future daughter, baby. But I just want to be single. I'm not ready to be a mom. Don't like it. I don't like children. I don't like kids. It's Hello Kitty. I like Minnie Mouse too. But sa next time na lang. So, okay na. May dugo na. May isa na birthday isa na. May birthday na Italiana, my daughter. Birthday ni Bunso na lang. Better girl, may boy din. Pero hindi siya nagdahanda ng ganito. Ang girly lang ito. Tapos ang isa, si 30 years old. Yan, ito meron dito. Check natin. This one is Disney Princess. That's for my debut. I know, that's di mo pala may 30th. This one is my 30th. 30th wedding. It's very affordable. Oh, ang saya. I'm so much